good, everybody? It's your boy Vector coming right back at you for another video where today we're going to be discussing one of the largest tax tracking and portfolio tracking platforms in the entire world. They have over 20 countries, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to get into this a little bit later as well, but you're able to have all of your taxes in one place when it comes to cryptocurrencies, when it comes to tracking your portfolio, and basically you can take a lot of advantage of this if you literally just listen to the next few minutes of what their full service has to offer. So let's get right into it, but before we do, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about coin tracking. And I'm not a financial advisor, so obviously you got to do your own due diligence, but you also got to do your taxes. So a little piece of info I got from CoinTracking is that you are able to apply for the 21-22 taxes by the 18th of April of this year. So with that being said, let's get straight into it, and I really hope you enjoy the video. Now, CoinTracking is a platform that allows you to do pretty much everything, right? It's completely online, and they're pioneers in managing crypto portfolios. They're based in Munich, Germany, with experience of over 10 years and more than 1 million active users for their services. More than 25,000 small businesses have used the CoinTracking tax reporting services, portfolio tracking services, and they actually offer a lot of automatic functions as well to generate your own tax, capital tax gain reports for the annual tax return, among others, right, according to standards of regulation of several countries. Now, they have a bunch of different countries that you can actually apply from yourself, and as you guys know, taxes are a really big part of this world, so it's very crucial to have the right information at the right time, and this is something that CoinTracking is able to provide you with. Now, if you're convinced, you can head on over in the description below and check them out, right? Head on over to the website. You're going to learn a little bit more about the full dashboard that you can actually use. But with this ecosystem, you're going to see your entire portfolio right here. You're going to see your fees, you're going to see your trade statistics, you're going to see everything there. Obviously, I'm on a live demo right now, but if you register completely for free, you can get started and literally track your entire crypto finances and also tax reports in one platform, right? This is your go-to if you want to use it. And the best part is they do offer, first of all, tracking of over 20,000 different coins and assets that you can manage through the CoinTracking app itself, right, through the website. But also, if you want a full service, right, if you never really want to think about taxes or investing or any of this stuff, you just simply want to be a trader, or you just simply want to run your blockchain company. Well, this is where the CoinTracking full service comes in. And with the full service, you receive the professional assistance to manage your account and also file all of your cryptocurrency taxes with confidence. Now, these guys have first of all imported a bunch of transactions from a lot of different websites out there, so they're pretty much tracking everything. They are, also in contact with a lot of different tax lawyers, and tax people who basically run taxes, right? And the reason why this is very important is you need to have this sort of ecosystem going on if you want to provide a full service for people, and this is exactly what CoinTracking is doing. The team consists of experts and qualified tax consultants that will ensure that your data is complete and your crypto tax reports are accurate. This is important, obviously, if you don't want to end up in prison, you've got to do your taxes properly. So head on over in the description below. You can either, consult yourself with these guys. They have a really, really massive support page with docs, with a contact. You can always ask a question. You can read a little bit on the blog. You can also check out a lot of different tools such as coin trends, coin charts, enter your coins that you have in your portfolio right now manually, or you can enter them, via CSV, via an API, wallet imports, blockchain imports, legacy imports, pretty much anything you need to do. And obviously a bunch of different stuff that you are able to report on, right, which is all very nicely summarized on the website itself, so you're never really going to miss out anything that you need to pay when it comes to taxes. Now, they're also going to help you handle complicated crypto transactions, assist you with full imports, right, answering crypto tax questions, and a lot more. And if you want to request it, you can do it just pressing this big orange button right here. Now, what do you get as a part of this full service that the CoinTracking team has to offer? Well, first of all, if you need personal help to understand your account and understand what position you're actually in, you will receive personalized support for your specific questions, as well as professional help on how to resolve account discrepancies and get your account in order. Now, there is account service as well, where if you don't have time to import data into your account, they will help you. You know, they'll do everything for you. So importing your transactions is a very important part of actually, you know, allowing the team to have enough information to work with when it comes to giving you the right deadlines, giving you the right numbers and everything else going on. And basically you need to import everything that you have from exchanges, wallets, and blockchains. It's a tedious process, and they will validate all of your data and adjust all the transactions accordingly as well to make sure that they are all up to date. And you know, we have a saying for this in the crypto world. We just want everything to be completely the transactions need to be completely immutable, right? You don't want transactions to be altered by someone. You don't want somebody messing your things up, which is why the enormous amount of tax consultants that these guys have as a part of their team are going to help you accomplish just this. And obviously there is a tax service as well. So if you have any questions related to taxes, related to filing your taxes, the tax consultants will clarify all of your tax related questions and take care of your crypto taxes, from the creation of your tax reports to completing the filings literally in your tax office. So if you want to review your CoinTracking account, you can do so. If you want to import all of your transactions in the exchange from your exchanges into CoinTracking, you can do so as well. Complicated cases such as margin trades, DeFi, NFTs, and lending, well, they become not so complicated with CoinTracking. Check the links in the description below. Resolving transaction import and reconciliation issues, big plus right here. Validation of all of the data for completeness and plausibility, accounting for ICOs, exchange shutdown, airdrops, gifts, etc., creating and reviewing tax reports, and preparing your tax returns, covering all complexity levels for individuals and, you know, thousands of businesses they've already worked with in the past. Yes, they do everything. So the first step is to select your country, right? Let's say you're from the United States. You got to select what services you actually want to have, right? So you have the premium support, which is, you know, this personalized service beyond the regular and free customer support that you are always able to take advantage of yourself. So if you want to select the service, you can do so. You have account review, you have the basic account service, you have an onboarding call, right? Which is only $30, and it just signifies to them that you are, you know, that you are serious about actually wanting to do this and not just some troller who wants to waste people's time, right? If you're serious about it, get on a quick onboarding call and learn a little bit about what exactly these guys have to offer, you know, as a bespoke service to you yourself, because everyone's situation in the market is different. Everyone's portfolio is different. Everyone's assets are different, which is why you need a team who understands completely what they're doing, such as a CoinTracking team, to help you out completely. And obviously you have the advanced account service, which is there as an individual support in extracting all of the trading data and importing into CoinTracking for users with a large number of transactions. There's the basic account service, and obviously there is the crypto and US return tax return service, where the certified crypto CPAs will do your crypto tax calculation and prepare your current and, you know, or prior year tax returns. So you don't want to be late with this stuff. It can really come back and bite you, you know, in the posterior. But in general, this is exactly what the CoinTracking team has to offer. I do recommend you check it out. Log in. There's over 1 million active users, over 25,000 CPAs and corporate clients in you know, these 14 years of historical data that these guys actually have right here, and over 10 years of experience, coin trends for over 20,000 coins, and a 40+ billion value of all portfolios. These guys are very serious, and if you want to, you know, have professional help and all of these tools that actually come with the CoinTracking ecosystem to make sure that, first of all, you're never going to miss out on your taxes. Second of all, you're never going to miss out on, you know, a payment. Third of all, you're going to have a very clear insight of your portfolio itself. You can declare your taxes and a personal analysis of your account. You can do so if you're a trader, if you're a company, and this is what the CoinTracking team has to offer. There are videos, how-to tutorials on how to actually use it, but the best way to do it is to head on over in the description down below, learn a little bit more about them, book a consulting call, you know, 15-minute onboarding call, and get your taxes in order. So thanks for watching another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the crypto world. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.